In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the stator from your front load washer. We're just going to take the access panel off. It's held with 4 Phillips screws. So to remove the rotor, we're just going to take our 17mm socket on an impact, put it in reverse, and unthread it. With that bolt removed, we just need to pull our rotor off the shaft of the drum. And you do that just by giving it a wiggle and pulling at the same time. It seems a little difficult only because your rotor is basically a series of magnets, and those magnets are still trying to hang into place. So you're working against their magnetic force. Set your rotor to one side. So now we're going to remove our stator. To do that, we have 6 10mm bolts. We're just going to remove. Now with all our bolts removed, we're able to wiggle that stator off its mount. And you'll notice that there are some wires attached. So to remove our harness, I'm just going to squeeze that tab, pressing down and pulling out. And I'll remove that connector. And this connector has 2 tabs to be squeezed on the sides. So now we're just going to squeeze the 2 tabs on the sides together and wiggle our harness off. And there, our stator is removed.